We've worked thousands of hours to do our very best and make everyone happy. And now we're ready to celebrate because we've just received an amazing review we're excited to share. Take a look.
This is from Amy. I've always been treated in a first-class manner by the workers at Fullerton Seminary, and yesterday was no exception.
We value everyone, new and old. Whether you're brand new or have been through our doors before, we'd like the chance to make you happy. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.